Hello Stampers, welcome to 3D Thursday. I'm Dina Lanzendorf with Ink and with Dink, and today for my 3D project I wanted to show you how to make this cute little super easy little treat box. Okay, and then when I'm done making one for you and showing you how, I will show you some different kinds of things that you can put in it, but it's really a fun and super easy kind of box. So are you ready to get started? Let's do this. So to start off, you are going to need a piece of cardstock that measures 8 inches by 2 inches. Okay, we're going to pull out our trimmer and we're just going to score this along the long side at 3.5 inches. We're going to turn it around, score it again at 3.5 inches. Okay, then you're just going to fold it on its score lines. And you can already see the box starting to come into play. Then what we want to do is we want to take our tag topper punch and we're just going to slide one side in and punch, turn it around, slide the other side in and punch. And there we go. Okay, so now we need something to hold this together to make it box-like. Okay, so now what we need is we need a piece of designer series paper that measures 6.5 by 1.5. And the designer series paper that I am using is the really fun paper called Follow Your Art. And I love it in the new catalog. And the paper is very artistically made. Okay, so it's really pretty. So one side has very artsy stuff on it, while the other side is just a design that can be used for any time, any occasion. Okay, so this side has like sponge rollers and brushes and stuff like that. And then the other side is just this green. That is really a fun green. This piece has like ink refill, Stampin' Spots, hot glue guns, buttons, very crafty stuff. This side is kind of yellowish stripes and the other side is binder clips, paper clips, sequins. It's just really a fun designer series paper pack. Okay, so I just picked a few designs that I want to use, and like I said, this piece is 6.5 by 1.5. Again, we're going to pull out our trimmer and we're going to score it at 1 inch, 3 inches, 4 inches, and 6 inches. I'm going to go through and fold it on all of our score lines so it's ready. Okay, now we need to pull out our tear and tape so that we can go ahead and put our box together. Okay, now what I want to do on this is I want to put a piece of tear and tape on this little 1/2 inch tab that's here. Okay, because I want it to stay. And then I'm just going to use some snail. And I'm going to put a couple of strips of snail on both sides of, see how the middle fold is like that? I just want to put a couple of strips on each side. Okay. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put the first one down, and I'm just going to kind of line it up so that it goes along the bottom, just like that. Okay, then this piece is going to go across there, and this long piece now lays across that one, and it's going to go like that. So then I want to do is I want to take my backing off of my tear and tape, and I'm just going to fold this over so that they meet just like that. Okay, so there's my belly band on my box. All right, now we need a little piece of ribbon, okay, that's going to hold it together. Okay, this one I use the new crochet ribbon that we have. Love it, but this time I'm going to use some of our older ribbon. That is the ribbon with the gold edging on it. So I am just going to cut a piece of ribbon, and I want to recut this in because it's starting to fray a little bit. Let's go down and cut that. And this is going to go through there, okay? But I do want to do a tag, okay? Because I'm going to give these as a little thank you gift. So I do want to do a little tag. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the stamp from the stamp set Animal Outing that says thank you big time. Okay, so I've got that stamp right here. I'm going to stamp it up in my Calypso Coral because that is the color of my box. So just on a white piece of cardstock, stamp that just like that. Okay, now I want to punch it out with my 1.5 inch circle punch. So I'm going to center it in there, punch that out. And then for my tag piece, I'm going to use this punch. I'm just going to take a scrap piece of Calypso Coral, punch that out like that. And then this piece, put some adhesive on the back of it, and it's going to fit perfectly right in the middle of that punch, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to take just a regular hole punch. I'm going to punch it like that so that it will fit in my ribbon will go through it. Okay, now before I put my tag on and close up my box, I want to show you some ideas of some things that we can put in our box. So one thing I did and came up with is I just took some Hershey's miniature candy bars and I put a belly band around them, wrapped them up. And if you stack them like that, you can fit 3 of them in your box, just like that. Okay. So another idea, the other day I made a video and we decorated binder clips. Okay, so you can fit 2 of these binder clips in here perfectly, and wouldn't that be a cute gift for someone? Another thing I found that goes in there well is if you've ever had the little packets of sixlets, they fit in there perfect too. Kind of hang out one side, but will fit in like that. Okay, so that's what we're going to leave in there for right now. And I'm just going to stick my ribbon through one side and then the other. Pull it up to the top and let's tie it in a little knot. Okay, so there you go. There is a cute little box that's super fast and super simple to make, but yet it's just got a wow. It's really cute and will hold all kinds of little things if you just want a quick little thank you for someone or something like that. So I hope you have enjoyed watching how to make these scalloped topped boxes. Please share my video with your friends. And what I'll do, if you share my video, I'll give you between now and next Friday. And if you share my video, I will draw a name to give away one of these boxes. So thanks for watching.